Two major economic theories have shaped how governments manage the economy for decades. Let's look at the core differences between them. At their core, these theories disagree on whether the government should actively intervene to stimulate growth or simply focus on controlling the money supply. Keynesians believe government spending drives demand, while monetarists argue that managing the money supply is the only way to ensure long-term stability. When inflation hits, monetarists prioritize tightening the money supply, whereas Keynesians might look for tax adjustments or public spending shifts to manage the cycle. Keynesianism is often the go-to during deep recessions when private investment dries up and the economy needs an immediate external push. Monetarism shines when the goal is to fight inflation and keep the currency stable by limiting the growth of the money supply. Most central banks target a predictable inflation rate, a concept deeply rooted in monetarist thought to maintain confidence in the currency. In the real world, most modern governments don't pick just one, they use a mix of both to balance growth and stability. Understanding these theories helps you make sense of government policy. Subscribe for more money basics and hit the like button if this helped.